Hey everyone, Brian from deltaG here. Today I want to talk about deltaG Performance. This is really our flagship product. It's what helped get deltaG off the ground and also helped deltaG cement its place on the forefront of human performance. deltaG Performance is 25 grams of ketones of deltaG along with some flavorings to help with the bitter taste of deltaG like blueberry extract, monk fruit, stevia, things like that. The way I've seen people take this is just straight out of the bottle. And in terms of protocol, start with half a bottle around 20 minutes before you start any kind of workout or event. And if that workout or event lasts for more than 2 hours, take another half bottle with your carbohydrates every hour. You can always scale upwards to a full bottle, but I would make sure to separate those servings by at least 2 hours. This really is an amazing product. It packs a punch, and it's still the one used by a lot of the professional teams like Tour de France and the UCI teams. So give it a shot. We love it. This is definitely a mainstay in the portfolio of deltaG products. So yeah, let us know what you think.